the country?
I'm from Pakistan. I've been to 16 countries, but believe me, I've fallen in love with Uganda. The first time I came to Uganda was 2018, and it was just a 5-day visit, like a week visit, but I ended up staying in 3 months. That's how amazing I would say Uganda and Ugandans are. Since 2018, I started promoting Uganda through my videos because I wanted people to feel the love that I've felt through my YouTube, through Instagram, through Facebook. I've been trying to tell people out there that you should visit Uganda. It's the Pearl of Africa. People call it the Pearl of Africa, and believe me, there's no doubt about it that it's the Pearl of Africa. Source of Nile, you'll find it in Uganda. All those beautiful gorillas, you'll find them in Uganda. Every amazing scenery and art, definitely, if you're looking for it, you need to come to Uganda. I mean, there's so many things to talk about. Food, awesome. Weather, awesome. Amazing people. If you don't fall in love with this country, there's something wrong with you, but not with this people. I would also request people of Uganda, and also the government, everybody, whoever has a social media account, rather be TikTok, it could be YouTube, it could be Facebook, it could be Instagram, Twitter, every social media handle that you have, you need to, if you're in Uganda and if you're Ugandan, you need to promote and tell people how beautiful Uganda is and how good Ugandans are. Webale Neo and Kwagala Neo to all of my Ugandans.
Thank you, Karim. Karim makes a statement that if you don't love this country, there is something
wrong with you.